The exhibition showcases Omega's unique blend of cutting-edge technology and its leadership in styling and design. We are pleased to have amongst us Mr. Jean-Claude Manachon, Omega's Vice President and Head of Product Development, along with Omega's Brand Ambassador, Mr. Abhishek Bachchan. Woo! Guys, up there, can you show some love to Mr. Abhishek Bachchan, please? And here. All right, without any further ado, I request Mr. Jean-Claude Manachon, Mr. P.H. Narayanan, Brand Manager, and Abhishek Bachchan to officially inaugurate the Omega Coaxial exhibition right now in front of all of you at the Inorbit Hall in Malad. Can we please have all of you to do the honors, sir?
लेफ्ट में ये यार
अभिषेक सामने Can we have you all pose for the photo ops, please? I now request Mr. Jean-Claude Manachon to kindly say a few words and present Abhishek. Okay, I think we'll give a moment to the media for some pictures. So can you just step back in line for some media pictures? Perfect. Alright, here you go. Flashing the Omegas on these good-looking men right here at the Omega Coaxial exhibition.
इधर आ जाओ यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं लंबा हो गया सर यहाँ पे आपके
All right, moving on. I'd request Mr. Manachon to kindly say a few words and present Abhishek with the Omega Seamaster 15,000 GOS, the world's first truly anti-magnetic mechanical watch. Can we please hear it from Mr. Manachon? Woo!
Yeah, I'm very happy to be here with you. I don't know if Abhishek is wearing an Omega because he was a little bit late today, but you are here expecting me to give to my friend Abhishek a nice watch. You were talking about anti-magnetic. You know that we have more and more magnetism around us with our iPhones, with telephones, microwave and all that. And so we could at Omega, with the coaxial and with magnetism, work, innovate again, and have the first watching here in India is for Abhishek. I'm glad to present to Abhishek the 15,000 GOS Aquaterra from India.
Come closer.
Alright, we're going to see Abhishek quoting the Omega Seamaster 15,000 GOS right now. The world's first truly anti-magnetic mechanical watch on the hands of the brand ambassador of Omega, Mr. Abhishek Bachchan.
One more. सर यहाँ पे सामने सर यहाँ पे सामने इधर ये कौन है सर यहाँ पे on your right
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Abhishek Bachchan right here at the Omega Coaxial exhibition.
sir on your right
And the moment we've all been waiting for, finally, the brand ambassador himself, I'm going to request Abhishek to kindly take the mic and say a few words. Abhishek Bachchan, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome. It's an honor to inaugurate this wonderful exhibition. The Seamaster is actually my favorite Omega watch, and for almost 8 months now, I've been after his case to send me this beautiful watch. What I love about this watch is it's the first of its kind, and it's an anti-magnetic watch, which means it doesn't get affected by magnetic fields that are all around us in everyday life, which affect our watches. So if you use your phone a lot, if you're a doctor, यहाँ कोई doctor है क्या? Huh? You should look for this watch. You can go to the MRI, CT scan, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Yeah, any radiologist. So it's absolutely fantastic. These are beautiful watches. The Omega Museum in Switzerland, at the headquarters, is one of my favorite places to visit whenever I go there. And I'm so happy that they've brought this exhibition here to Mumbai, to our city. And we've just a couple of months ago been in Kolkata, where we inaugurated our first Omega boutique in Eastern India, and I'm very happy that we're doing something back here home in Mumbai. It's a beautiful exhibition, they're beautiful watches. I hope all of you enjoy it very, very much, and I really hope all of you buy one watch each, because that'll be good for all of us. But enjoy the exhibition, the beautiful watches, and I'm very excited. So this is the first one in India, is it?
Woo!
Okay, that's cool.
You make it look even better, Abhishek.
Do I? Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Well, can we have a huge round of applause for Abhishek Bachchan? Alright, and now invite Mr. Jean-Claude Monchon and Mr. Abhishek Bachchan, of course Mr. Narayan, to kindly walk through and witness the exhibition showcase right here.
अभिषेक सामने अभिषेक सामने love you अभिषेक सा कौन है यार तू यार सामने आ रहा है अंकल
Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, the exhibition is the perfect opportunity to discover the brand's long history of innovation. For all of you who just joined us, we have amongst us Mr. Abhishek Bachchan, the brand ambassador Omega, at the coaxial exhibition right here at Norbit Mall, being witnessed by all of you. The exhibition features some dazzling displays of the coaxial watch movement, which are considered to be amongst the best in the world. Abhishek himself is sporting an Omega Seamaster 15,000 gauss right now as we speak, the world's first truly anti-magnetic mechanical watch. The exhibition, ladies and gentlemen, is a perfect opportunity to discover the brand's long history of innovation,